Yeah, it's gonna.
Good job, Krista.
Keep going, Beck.
Let's go, Becky. Keep going.
Okay. That hand turns nicely. Look at this one. Yeah. It slices, so she's not getting any pull with that hand. So
and
that's.
this morning her practice going like this without the she was doing it beautiful.
She's not too bad.
No, she's not.
She's better.
I said,
Go,
Keep
Beck.
Keep going, you're almost there. Woo!
come on, Becky!
Go, go, go!
Come on, almost.
Almost there, keep going.
There you go.
Good.